When I first heard that I won, I read the email, and then I read it again, and then I said, okay, now what? That's a $15,000 prize. That's huge. That's huge. It was really exciting, kind of shocking, but exciting with the possibility. And then I contacted my husband. He was at work. And I said, I think I won a roof. He goes, well, that doesn't do us much good. And kind of joking. He goes, well, find out. And so then we did have a phone call with August Roofing. And then I thought, well, oh gosh, I'm not going to be able to accept it because I don't need a roof. We just had it done. And then they said, oh no, you still won. You still have options. And that really excited me because then I just had to say, okay, well then what are my options? What can I do? Because you own a house, it needs everything. Pick something, fix it, it always needs something. So I did not know that they did solar. I knew they were a roofing company. And when they mentioned, well, maybe solar, and I went, what? That right away I perked up, like, okay, tell me more about that. They detailed things for me to help us, my husband and I, pick what we think would work best for us within the parameters of the prize. I asked a lot of questions and they answered them all. Made me feel comfortable with going with them for sure. Our electric bill has gone up year after year, year after year. The summer months are brutal. I work from home a lot of the time, and when I do, it's hot. I run the air, and then you get that $600 electric bill, and it is rough. So long term of getting breaks on the total cost of my bill is really what I'm looking most forward to. August Roofing has been very forthcoming, very willing to work with me time-wise, punctuality for sure. Everything that they've had to do has been very on time, and that means a lot to me because time is important. They show up when they say they're going to show up. They respond when they say they're going to respond. And day one of work on the house, so far I'm very excited.